मडगांवा एनाफोत उद्याना लागीं एका बिल्डिंगेक सोमारा मध्यान राती 2:30 वरांचेर अचकीत उजो लागलो. ह्या उज्यान एक गारमेंट आनी क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन दुकानाचो लासून गोबर जालो.
ह्या उज्यात सुमार 1.35 कोटी रुपयांचे मालमत्तेचे लुकसाण जाले. घडणुकेची म्हायती मेळटकीर उजो पालोवपी दळान घडणूक थळार धांव मारली. सुमार 4 वरांच्या यत्ने उपरांत उजो पालोवपी दळान उजो नियंत्रणात मेळयले. ह्या उज्यात 2 जाणांक दुखापत जाल्ल्याचे कळटा.
Night, around 2 o'clock, heavy smoke of plastic had come there. Then we woke up, we saw that heavy fire here. Then we two fellows took our belongings from the roof and came downstairs. Then what we saw, 3 or 4 fellows running this dormitory. They are standing here. They never informed other fellows, other guests there.
Okay. You are staying in hotel?
Hotel 104.
Yeah.
Room number 104.
Then what happened?
Then we came here and took that 3 fellows upstairs and knocked the other door.
Okay.
Then suddenly the smoke has come inside. Then there was very difficult to stay there. We came down again.
Okay.
After that, around 10 or 15 minutes, the first fire engine has come here.
Okay.
Then after other 3 fire engines have come.
Okay. Any injured casualty was going on? Any injured person is there? Any injured
No,
in this incident?
Happened.
No injured.
Nothing happened.
Okay.
By the grace of God, nothing happened.
सर विजिट दिला आज किती इन्फॉर्मेशन घेतला तुम्ही हांगच्यान उजो लागला तेजे?
हय आमी एक्चुली सगळे ऑथॉरिटीजांक आपयल्ले आहा आनी तांचे रिपोर्ट्स आसतले बेज ऑन रेल्वेशन कितके लॉस जालाचे आमी सबमीट करतले कलेक्टराक.
हेच कितें ट्रेड लायसन्स बी कितें आसा कळला कितें?
म्युनिसिपालिटीन कन्फर्म करूं ना तेजे रिपोर्ट अपलोडेड आसा तुमी विचारूंक शकता तांकां ताचे बद्दल.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान रमेश नायक रावत.